All right. Well, let's get it. I'm about to start charting in just a second. I'm just setting up some things. All right. Let's go. Let's chart it up. Let's get the moves going. I got a lot of things I need to focus on this week, so I'm excited about that. It's always good to have a new focus for the week and whatnot. So, yeah. Oh, anyway. I think my thing wasn't working for the voice control. Oh, never mind. It is working. All right, we're good. I just wanted to make sure it actually was working correctly. Morning, morning. All right, so let's start off with this side. Make sure I reset this to the normal, and then this side as well. Make sure I reset that to the normal. 1 minute right there. Boom. Let's start from the top and then drop towards the bottom. Boy Mac, give it a like. I appreciate you, Mac. All right, let's do this. Let me know if my mic sounds crazy, because I cannot tell if my mic sounds good or not from my settings. I don't know what's going on, but I think it's supposed to sound fine, but I don't know. I just checked it and I think it sounds fine. I didn't mean to do that, but okay. Obviously, we broke the low here. So that's good to know. Good to keep in mind that we broke out of this range finally. So now we'll look at this A to B like so. Because now we're playing this bearish leg. It's really from here to here. This has the lattice high. Not really this one. But anyways, this is also fine. I mean, it's not much of a difference. Not like there's anything right here anyways. Yeah, this is the way I would play it. The high is high to the low is low. And then let's delete that line. Let's make a new one right here, just so we keep it in mind. This. And then we'll be dropping down to the 1 hour real quick. Immediately on the 1 hour, we see this right here. We see this FU right there. So to me, that sends out immediately. Obviously, we also got this, which also sends out. So either one of those places, probably the higher one than the lower one, but I mean, this is probably going to get taken. I'm not saying this is going to be like, oh, this is going to react from here and it's going to go or something. And we'll go down to the 15 real quick. See what that 15 looks like. Yeah, see? Because the 15 also has this doji light candle here. So, I mean, it's literally 3 spots in the same area that could be something. So it's kind of tough to say which one it's going to be. So in this area, I'll obviously just mark them all. But then when it comes to this area, I want to take a trade there till, you know, an actual confirmation happens or significant slow of price comes. Because we do have this A to B here. Right? And all of them hit the 50% of that. Not the 50% of the big one, but the 50% of this one, which could be something. So, anyways. All right. Next thing we got to do is go to the bottom of this. Oh, I totally forgot. Let's go on the daily real quick. No, that won't do. So we got to go on the weekly probably. Yeah, we do. Okay. Okay, so we reacted out of this. It still hasn't broken that low. is interesting. Yeah, still hasn't broken that low, which is interesting. Something to keep in mind, but I mean, if it's a thing from that long ago, I'm not gonna look at that and be like, oh my god, he hasn't broken that low. We're going long, baby. You know what I mean? It's tough to make that call. So just play the price delivery that's coming in the market. Don't get caught up on that. Oh, Asia was 50 pips. That's actually quite big. No wonder Bert said that there was already a move today. There was a move indeed today. Huh. All right, so we're gonna be doing something a little bit different today. We're gonna be doing this. It's not drastically different than what I've been doing. It's just a little more obvious and stuff, and it's gonna be based off Alex G new video. If you haven't checked it out, definitely do so. But it's about ranges and so on. So we're going to be working our way down here, marking everything up, just so we can keep on track on what was hit, what wasn't hit, where price could be going since it was hit, and so on. So let's go here. Obviously, this is a huge buy, right? But then within this buy, what do we see? We obviously see this right here. Okay. Obviously, we came back into it on here. So then we go like so. And then we haven't come back. So this is unmitigated. So we'll mark it as unmitigated. I think I might have to grab it from here. If so, no, it might be like this. I don't know. I need to double check that. Let me see. So yeah, that's a little weird. Anyways, okay. Well, we came back into it anyways, and we reacted out of it. So I guess that's all we were looking for anyways. We weren't looking for much more than that. It's just something to keep in mind. You don't just play blindly. You just mark it so you're aware of what's going on. But obviously, price delivery is going up. I think that's pretty obvious as of now. So Alex just messaged me, so let's check out what wisdom he has to drop on my head right now. Yeah, we need multiple time frame analysis. Yeah, no, for sure. The only reason why I'm on the M1 right now and following this is because that's what I was practicing yesterday. But I know I'm supposed to be going out to the other time frames. That's why I grab this big box, for example, right here, instead of just going like each little individual one. because I know that's a big emphasis of yesterday on the video when you said to make sure to not get too lost in some of these smaller ones sometimes. So yeah. Okay. My shoulder hurts like crazy. Went to the gym yesterday. I don't know what I did, but I really irritated my shoulder yesterday. I already had issues with my rotator cuff. I injured it at some point, so I need to get. There's apparently no way to fix it unless you get surgery. So hopefully I can get surgery sometime soon. FDMO gonna pay for the surgery, so I need it. That's really hurts. All right, let's go here. We are here. Most importantly, what we need to do is not get lost in the sauce, man. Not get lost in the sauce. Meaning, don't get too zoomed in and start looking at every little thing, every little pullback, and be like, oh yeah, this is it. We're going short, baby. Boom. And then, I mean, that could be a short. I don't know. It's just a little too early to start doing that. That was the mistake I've been making for the past couple weeks. So I got too lost in some of the sauce. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and I was safe and sound. Got 2 minutes still open. This was a doji light candle on the 15-minute, so it might have been, you know, a decent short, to be honest. It might have actually been a decent short. That's good to know. I think that if we close as an FU here on this 15-minute, we'll do a little boom, take out this low right here, and then potentially go, if that's going to be the long intention. It's tough to say. We are obviously bearish. That's very obvious. Even on the 15-minute, we're still bearish. If we bounce off that, we would still be bearish. So you would be playing something early on the 1 minute, we're bullish as of now. On the 15, we're bearish, and it's kind of tough to say. Low time momentum obviously shows early signs of the high time frame momentum, but yeah.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Kept you waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Kept you waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. I wanna wake up where you are, a place where nothing's torn apart. If I can heal my broken scars, oh, I'll let you closer to my heart. Slow dance around, I'll stay to mine, lost in these words until we find another way to walk the line. Oh, I'll let you in, just give it time. I know it's something building from nothing. I need your love, don't you throw me away. We'll take off running with faith and trust, and I promise you I'll stay. Forever and a day. Love me for everything I am. Not overthinking, never plan. You take my heart, I take your hand, and now through it all you understand. I know it's something building from nothing. I need your love, don't you throw me away. We'll take off running with faith and trust, and I promise you I'll stay.
We need some like Core Trap Gaming or something to pump it up. All right. Let's see if the pump starts coming through. You know what I mean? So a couple things. This is what I'm looking at. We got a couple things going on. These boxes are low-key relevant. So we're gonna get rid of these boxes real quick. So we have the short, which the more I'm looking at it, I think the short was actually a great short. And now that I'm analyzing it a little bit more, I think it was a great short because we have this unmitigated area. We had a range, right? That was stacking. So this was liquidity. Let's put this here, right? We have liquidity. Liquidity gets taken. We have a nice FU on the 15-minute. Now liquidity is going down. We got this unmitigated range here as target, right? And now this could bring the continuation for shorts for the rest of the session because now we already came back here. Boom. We would be breaking this right here. We'll be taking out this low. Most likely, I don't think this low is going to hold. It might, but I don't think it will. I'm pretty sure this is going to get taken. So when it goes here, I don't think the long will actually hold. I mean, I might be wrong, but I think most likely we could play a short here on this continuation rather than a long here. I feel like if it gets back down here, more likely than not, we're going to see a breakthrough. So what I want to do to ensure that we're on the right location, I guess, it's take a short somewhere here as it gives me an entry. So we could go short, follow the money here, then go long here as a hedge. So potentially it does go out and go crazy, or it just falls off the earth and just goes crazy on the short. But yeah, I'm almost 100% sure that this is getting broken. So we'll get on a short somewhere around here once it gives us an opportunity. But yeah, the more I looked at the short, I'm like, dang, you know what? That was a little decent short. That was a little decent. Now, how would I have gotten that? I wouldn't have. Long story short, like I wouldn't have gotten that short because, I mean, what is it out of? I mean, it just came back in the range, but there's really nothing there. It's like you're playing this doji, but like if you're playing that doji, are you also going to play like this one, and then are you going to play this one afterwards, and so on? That's a tough call, you know. So maybe if you're playing the whole thing like Bert, where he's playing this whole thing as a 6 pip, but then at that point you're playing for this to be dropping 50 pips. You want a 10 hour without 5 pips stop loss, which you can. Don't get me wrong, definitely can, right? High time frame play. But that ain't me. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Don't come after me, guys. Damn. All right, let's dissect what's happening here. So we're reacting out of this. Look out. This slows right here. All right. And we got this right here. Boom. And now, are we going to see a continuation in price to the upside? Or are we going to see this get taken? I really thought this was going to get taken. I really did. It still could. But now the 15-minute looks like it's going to continue upwards. I don't know, man. Are we getting full? Are we not getting full? Focus of the week is just to follow the... Oh, wow, I hit my mic really hard just now. Focus of the week is to follow momentum. And I don't know. The 1 minute looks like it's going up. The 15-minute also looks like it's going up now. But it's a little early. It's a little early. I'm still kind of set on my short to buy strategy here. I'm thinking that's the move. Yeah, I'm thinking that's the move. I might be crazy. But I'm thinking that's going to be the move. I don't know. Look at the 1 minute here on this side so I don't get lost in the sauce. I mean, that's an FU week to the upside on the 1 minute so far. Let's see how that closes before I take a trade. and look crazy. Yeah. That's a nephew to the upside. Okay. I didn't mean to take such a thick stop loss, but hey, it is what it is. I have no clue why it's not letting me move my TP, but okay. There it goes. Yeah, I didn't mean to take such a thick stop loss, but that's okay. It's a 2.3 versus a 1.9 that it was there before I clicked on it. So yeah. The only thing I'm playing here, obviously we still got this that was unmitigated, and I am aware of that, right? The only thing I'm playing here, it's the 15-minute just open, and sometimes I see that it will drop fast when the new 15-minute opens up. Like it will do a little bit of this, and then it actually just goes boom. Obviously, I could have waited for this, and I mean, I could still get out and not be much of a loss. But I think hold on. Sorry, I wasn't even looking. I'm back now. Okay, let's look. Oh, it got taken out. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't after it didn't drop fast, obviously I wasn't too bullish on that, and that's why I said I could still take it out at not much of a loss. So yeah, it's the first trade of the day. Again, I could have waited for this, but I really thought this could be a potential little something. But yeah, that FU right here pretty much told us what we needed to know.
I'm just a boy with a heart that gets broken a lot. Cause I constantly leave the door open, but I must invest in a lock. I confess that I'm not good at keeping my thoughts in my head. Yeah, I know how it goes when I let down my walls. Yeah, I stumble and fall, yeah, I crumble like yesterday's pastries left at the bakery, cause nobody wanted to bring them home. And I'm standing in the rain again, and dealing with the pain again all alone. Got no umbrella, I'm chilled to the bone. I'm begging for shelter, but nobody's home. Yeah, I'm standing in the rain again, I'm dealing with the pain again all alone. Got no umbrella, I'm chilled to the bone. I'm soaking my sweater, and nobody's home. 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 Nobody's home.
I'm just a girl with no hope, cause I left it at home in a box in the attic, and no one can have it. And maybe that's tragic, but that's all I know. Afraid to be open and vulnerable. I was once made of glass, but then you shattered that. So I built myself up out of concrete. Now no one can see through my walls, and I sit all alone with a heart carved out of stone. And I'm trying not to cave again, dealing with the pain again. No one knows, don't need you to save me. Won't answer my phone. You knock on the door, but nobody's home.
And I'm standing in the rain again, I'm dealing with the pain again all alone. Got no umbrella, I'm chilled to the bone. I'm under the weather, and nobody's home. And nobody's home. And nobody's home.
Nobody's home.
And nobody's home.
Nobody's home.
Nobody's home.
Look at my sweater, I'm chilled to the bone. I'm under the weather.
And nobody's home.
Nobody's home.
And nobody's home. Goosebumps on my skin, I feel you on my body. Lose my mind within, your presence is so godly. Oh, you leave me weightless. Cause you are my oasis. Oh, you leave me weightless. Cause you are my oasis.
That was our second trade right there. So, I mean, obviously, good location as far as the fact that it's on the edge of what's happening, right, from where we came from. I could have waited for a little bit of a better confirmation because this candle hasn't closed. So I was expecting it to be an FU to the downside. So I obviously got on it while it wasn't an FU just yet. So could have done a little bit of a better job there, but I zoomed in a 5 second just to see if we could see an early thing going on. And yeah, that was the shot. So could be dropping now, but obviously I can't double down again because then that would be 3 trades for today and I will be done. So something to keep in mind. I wasted my one good trade right here. So something to keep in mind. My shoulder hurt like crazy. Holy smokes. Man. Did we get baited again? Hopefully not. Oh, we got baited again. Well, that's my session. Finished pretty early. I know what I did wrong. This is demo, by the way. Not wasting capital today. I don't trade Mondays live on any shape or form. Because Mondays usually suck for me. They're more like a warm-up day for my week rather than anything else. Mondays are usually very slow. Twitch today, I mean, we've moved like 20 pips. Okay, since my actual session started, because my starts right here. We haven't moved much since my actual session started. So, you know, a little early. And it's just a warm up for the week. I know what I did wrong, obviously. I wasted a trade here. And then this one was a good shot. So these two were good shots because it's one at the top and then one trade at the top and then one trade on the actual edge, which is usually what I allow myself to have. I allow myself to have two trades on the edge. And then, yeah, this one was the only one that was, in my opinion, wasteful. But these two were actually not bad. Price, obviously, shot up afterwards. That's 30 pips. That's real nice. If anybody caught that long, that's nice. And it's not surprised that we're going up here. I mean, we got this big target right over here, so it's not really a surprise. Probably be going to sleep soon here. I just want to see how this 15-minute closes, and then after that, I'm gonna hit the bed. Oh, this 15-minute just started actually 5 minutes ago, so never mind. I also seen this. I just didn't play it because I really was bearish here on this. So, you know, that's obviously my fault. I've seen this where we have, let me clear all of this out. So we have a FU to the bottom, right? But we already had an FU to the top. Momentum is going obviously upwards already. So this is just a reaction to get the zone, right? We get here to the FU that's holding price in the 50% area of this A to B, right? Once this candle closes here, it will go up to it, go down, get liquidity here. As you can see, it took it out right there. And if it starts FUing, the next candle will go up here, get towards the edge. By the time the next candle opens, meaning the current one we're on, which is the one that's forming right here, like this one. When that one opens, it won't pull back again. It's just gonna go like from the place where the other one closed, and it's just gonna fly. That's one of the plays that I was doing a lot a couple of weeks, well, a few weeks ago when the market was a little more trending. So I obviously didn't play that because the market hasn't been trending. We might see it trending at some point soon. So hopefully that's the case. If that's the case, then cool. But yeah, so let me see if I can. So this would be the first candle of the 15-minute. Yeah, let's go back. What candle is this? 29. So this would be okay. So as you can see, it closed here. This is the last candle where it closed on the 15-minute. Next candle opens up here. He doesn't get below that one. And then it just takes off. Like, as literally from the candle that it closed, it never goes below that candle anymore. It just flies on the 15-minute. So, yeah, a little harder to play on that if you're expecting the unless you're really expecting the breakout. And again, it has to be with an aggressive entry. Like, that's not taking along here. It's not particularly the best quote unquote location. You know what I mean? You can do it. It's just a lot of times it'll obviously get taken out unless the market is actually about to bring some aggression into play. So yeah. But all right. That's it for me today. Just a little warm up for the week. And yeah, I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep. So hopefully, so hopefully we catch some sleep for Tuesday. And yeah.